the top says that end lesson means the recording has started. Okay, so everyone, welcome to this afternoon's Master Series workshop for our Master's teachers. Okay, now first and foremost, now ladies and gentlemen, for students, all the 4 students only, can you use your mobile phone and go to the web address irs5.cc on your mobile phone? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our agenda today. Alright, I will show you how we set up the Socrates video desktop recording for our professional lesson observation, as well as teach you the different ways you can do the course and class setup. Alright, and then I will go to show you how an ideal PowerPoint distribution should be. And last, I will just quickly go through the 4 A's of engaged lesson design, which I won't spend that much time because as master teachers, you are already quite familiar with this. Okay. Now, as master teacher, my appeal to everyone, okay, as master teachers, my appeal to everyone, keep to this language communication. Okay, keep to this communication that we are using the 4 key terms called allocation of resources. Now, what do we mean allocation of resources? It means that I have certain materials which I don't need them to work on it, but it may be some reference materials that I would like them to read, to do some brainstorming, to generate some thinking process, as well as to formulate some ideas, preparation work on their papers. Okay? Under the same push button, the second icon is what you push an entire file. Alright, so I'm going to click on it, and the system will ask you to select a file. I'm just going to show you on my camera. Okay, you should see that you would have received an attached document on your web IRS. Okay, the students can then click on this attached document and save this particular file or open up the template for them to do some of their writing on the template. Allocation of thinking resources or allocation of post-lesson so-called paper tasks that you want them to do. Clear so far about the first key aspects of A, allocation. We will now move on to the second A. Second A, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call an activity. Now, how do we determine activity and assignment? Okay, in your mind, please have this recorded clearly. An activity are things that the control activity in class, where the control is on the teacher to use activity to gather information, gather data, and gather feedback from the students. Go to the second IRS tool. Alright, click on it. A single answer tool is what we choose, the first one. And the moment you click on it, can you see? You will see that my screen appears at the bottom. And when this screen comes out, it doesn't block my answer. Response, Geraldine. Are you able to answer the question, your web IRS? Or is your network totally down? Is your mobile phone still... Oh, yes, here we have. Then we collect the data. Click on the bar chart. Alright, and I get the response from all this. Let's paste our data there first. Okay. Now, if you remember, where do I say we store this? We put this at the bottom. Student. Who is the one student who have chosen B? The system will prompt for you is Jen. Okay, so Jen, can you give me a simple reason why did you choose answer B?
Sir, I am not particular with that leaning tower of
Ladies
Pisa.
and gentlemen, here may we welcome Sir Glenn. Okay, Sir Glenn, can you see yourself in the main recording screen now? Okay, can you explain your answer again?
Actually, sir, I am not familiar with Leaning Tower of Pisa. That's why I guess only.
So let's do a try one more time. I'm going to click on the retest to give a question. So you see, we have engaged them in their answers, and then the teachers have also given some prompters. It's a good time for us to do the requiz, save your record. So students, can you please answer again? Which is the country that actually has a favor of eating pizza? Same thing, I'm going to click on the chart. This time round, you will see 2 different types of chart. Okay, so same thing on the live data, I can know who are the person who have changed their answer. So same thing, I click on the live data and can just pick up one student changes. You can actually allow multiple answers. Okay, this question would have to be a favorite one for Mom Glenda. Alright, so Mom Glenda, you better get both answers correct. Huh? Alright, so for this question, during photosynthesis, which are the two processes that will go into one and which is the one that comes out from the plant in two? So again, we are going to click on the activity lesson, go to the second one that shows 2 clicks, which will allow the students to choose multiple answers. Okay, so let me show you the response. Alright, now, in a multiple answers, you don't just want to see the 1, 2, 3. You will actually need to see which one. Now, when you click on the poker card, you click one time, you see the number. You click another time, you will see the combination. Okay, now, I'm going to choose someone. Okay, I'm going to help me choose someone, randomizer. And just choose a randomizer pickup. I'm just going to randomize. Okay, Mom Glenda has kindly shared with us good answers. So we announce the exact answer. The first one that it will be taking in will be carbon dioxide and it will be letting out oxygen. Okay, so B and D are the ones that have gotten the right answer. Whether do you think this equation is a true or false equation, which we will use the third option, a true and false indication. Okay, so on your screen, just work on it and share with me whether it is a true or it is a false statement. Okay, for the audience recording, this is what you will see on the screen. Finally, okay, let's take a look. This should be easy, straightforward. Okay, click on the bar chart to take a look at the answer. Oh, still we have half that thinks that now this is an issue. Is he good in mathematics?
Not good, sir.
Okay, so indeed this should be a correct answer. Okay, everyone please get ready your buzzer. Who knows which painting belongs to Vincent van Gogh? Please press on the buzzer, okay? Click on it immediately. Go now. Any button. You can press on any button, students. Press on the buzzer. Who can press on the buzzer?
The painter, it's himself.
Okay, let's bring everyone out. Let's bring everyone out to share this moment of truth to see whether is this the sunflower that Mom Jen have chosen indeed the one by our dear Vincent van Gogh. So let's move it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, indeed Mom Jen has made an excellent choice. Okay, the sunflower. Now, assignment is an emphasis where we want the students to be the ones that are doing the main bulk of the work. Alright, so for assignments, ladies and gentlemen, we will be pushing the entire page to the student and for them to work on it. Okay, so now ladies and gentlemen, looking at these 4 pictures, could you try to link it up which picture is more relevant to which diagram or which text? Okay, so I'm going to click on it, alright, and choose the first one, which is you want them to send in their inputs via picture. So I'm going to click on it, and ladies and gentlemen, if you can see on the students page, they are going to receive this page that is already there shown all their assignments. Okay. So what you need to do, teachers, is to click on the respective work, the ones that we want to collate and we want to see. And the moment we have copied it, alright, let's do a paste. This is always the top right hand corner you see. The box with an arrow is where we can easily collate the entries from all the students which is standing out. Okay, so here we have. Okay, so let's keep the teachers here and let's move my teacher screen back to my original place so that I don't block everyone in terms of the view. Okay, so then I'm going to expand out your work. Alright, and I'm going to bring you back again. Let me zoom in on you. Okay, replace screen. Okay, so Glenn, you are there. Okay, you are there on your screen as you can see clearly, and on your right hand side you see your work. So Sir Glenn, can you explain to everyone here on the video recording what you make your choice? What do you think? Can you explain your answer for me?
Okay, sir. So, I choose only the specific word for...
If you can see on general, alright, on general it is either the crisscross, okay, or it is like what Sir Glenn and Mom Geraldine had did, alright. So I think for the first question, whether is it the first way or is the crisscross the second way, it actually both make sense, right? It actually both makes sense, even if it is this way, it makes sense. Now actually use audio files for students to submit their answer. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you all to, when I send you the file, you will see on your page there will be a microphone. Okay, now when you reply for your answers, click on the microphone, hold it, and make sure that the timer starts to move. Then you record your audio and you send it over to me. Go to the third one as usual and choose the second one, which is on the microphone. Alright, and the moment I press on it, the students will receive the file with icon. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, they will see this one. So on your separate note, teachers, okay, press on the mic, look at the thing that is moving, record your two pronunciation and send it out to me. Please do it now. Be operator. We are coming to the end soon. Right, we have everyone. Great. Okay, so let me collect the answers of all my student participants today first. Okay, I'm going to click on all the icons and I will show you how this appears on the screen of the teacher when it is being collected. Okay, can you all see? Alright, so each of the audio files, 2 seconds only. He's a fast speaker.
Adapt.
Oh, apparently it only captures his first word, adapt. Okay, let's hear from Mom Glenda. Remember just now we have said that you can assign a certain worksheet or material to the students. Okay, you can actually ask them to send their file back to you. I will show you how you do differentiated instruction in HiTeach 5, slightly different from what we did in HiTeach 3. Okay, so take a look at the next question. We'll just do this one. If you all would like to do the COVID-19 challenge by using one, just use 1 or 2 words to explain the cause, or you want to do 2, draw a picture to elaborate the impact, or you want to use 3, to use a table to state the solution and effect. Same thing, click on the data to see the statistics. Wow, all 3 there are choices. 3 students wants to give me A. Okay, 1 student have chosen option B and 1 student have chosen option C. So when we want to do differentiated instruction, remember we need to send different page. Now no need. Okay, so on the same page, don't move to a new page. Okay, on the same page, now I want to collect their response. Click on the picture submission assignment for them to write the text, draw a picture or draw a table on the same page. Okay, so when you do this, they will ask you, this page already has a task quiz, copy this page and add a new task, click confirm. Okay, click confirm. And ladies and gentlemen, you should all receive a page something like this, right? Now this time round, because I want you all to do separate assignment tasks, click on the paintbrush to do with a blank empty page.
Yes, sir.
So let's pick on the 4 already submitted work. Okay, let's paste the submitted work. And this is where, ladies and gentlemen, you get your differentiated instruction in collating the response from the different impact of the students. We are close to the end. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, what you have seen is a demonstration of how HiTeach activity and assignment combines itself to do differentiated instruction. I'm not going to do this, but this is another similar case which we can do this for a mathematics, like Sir Glenn. Okay, set a mathematics question, get them to get the answers. When you see that there are differentiated answers, get them to see, to use a working, to send in the working based on the answers which they have chosen. Okay, and then after that, you compare the answers and getting the students to explain their different approach of solving this particular puzzle. Okay. My entire lesson is 1 hour 48 minutes today, coming close to 2 hours. Let's see how fast. Okay, the so-called observation will generate up. This is the last comment I will collect. We go to Flipkart. Okay, so straight away choose Flipkart to see all the response. Alright, and then click on all the answers 3, 4, 4, and 5. Alright, and then paste everything out. Alright, and you have their text which you actually are collated. Okay, so this is where a teacher can collate all the response from the students, this entire system, to create an optimal, engaging, alright, and to also archive a very useful reference video in future for all your students, every one of them. Okay, so this is how we do. Alright, so for all my master's teachers, I'm using this lesson demonstration to use this to generate one of our Socratic video, which I think we have come to the end of it. Okay, so thank you for your very useful feedback.